Hey guys, it's Jericho. What the heck? Why would I start talking that it always pop up? Hey guys, it's Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a flawless full face foundation routine. Okay, that was a mouthful. I know it's been a while since I've really done a makeup video. The makeup video I uploaded last, I did that makeup video like in March, and I just now got a chance to upload it because I have been traveling for 2 weeks and it was absolutely phenomenal. You guys have already seen the Miami vlogs. Oh my god, like the moment I start recording, my battery dies. I am so... Okay, let's try this again. So this is going to be a flawless foundation, full face foundation routine. Like I was saying, I have been traveling for 2 weeks. I went to Miami, had a great time. Then we went, the next week we went on a cruise. So we were gone for a long time. So I feel like, you know, there was so much traveling. I was in the sun and I got this really dark burn right here on my forehead. You can kind of see it like when I pointed out, like I had on a wig while I was in Miami. So like my actual hairline, like where my baby hairs are, and then like my forehead is darker. So like my scalp is officially lighter than my face. So it's kind of weird. I don't know, I had on a frontal, so like there's just a super defined line of the difference what my skin used to be and what it is now. You guys might not think I'm a shade darker, but I'm definitely a shade darker. Like I said, you can still see this arch burn on my forehead. Like I'm telling you guys, I'll insert a picture of when I first came back from Miami. Like I didn't even want to go to work. I'm like, I look terrible. I do not want to go to work. But I had to go to work. Obviously I can't call off because I got a sunburn, so I just wore a hat at work. I had this hat all the way down to my forehead because I'm like, there's no way I am going to work exposed. So anyway, so now I'm going to do my foundation routine. I had already had on makeup, so I wiped it off, and my brows are a little bit shiny, and I'm not liking how it's looking right now. Of course, it ain't gonna look just super flawless like it did when I first did it, but I can touch it up a little bit, and this is whatever. Anyway, so the moisturizer that I've been using, I've been doing a super in-depth skincare routine, and I've been loving the results. Well, one of the things that I bought that I'm now using is a collagen moisturizer because I realized I need collagen in my life. It's Equate version. It's supposed to be the knockoff brand of, I think is it the L'Oreal? I don't know. But anyway, I like to put this on my face, and I really don't want to do this because I feel like I'm wasting it. But it's a day or night moisturizer. I use it in the morning and I use it at night as part of my skincare routine. So I'm gonna put that on my I was gonna say on my screen. Put that on my skin. I didn't actually buy the Pond's. I got the Walmart, the Equate version. I got Equate of everything, y'all. So if it's a major brand, if they got an Equate brand of it, I'm buying it, okay? So this is the Equate version of Pond's. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my face too. Not that I really need it right now, because it ain't like I'm wearing this foundation for a while. Like, let's just be honest. Like, I'm at home, and as soon as I get done with this video, I'm taking pictures, I'm wiping it off. So yeah, what I wanted to say was like the L'Oreal foundation, I did a video on the color 510 and I did a video on the color 515. I had told y'all I was taking back 515 because it was a little too dark. But now that I've gone to the Bahamas and Miami, I think 515 might be the next best thing. So I went back and got 515. So I'm hoping that, you know, it's gonna work because it didn't look terrible last time. But it was definitely too dark for my skin, but now that I'm really caramel, I'm hoping that it'll work. I got both of them though, so this is what they are looking like. So this right here is the one that I had that was matching my skin before I left, and then this is the next color. So clearly this one is matching, no, this one is matching a lot better now than this one. Like this one is definitely too light for my skin now, which y'all. So the primer I'm going to use on my skin is the NYX Photo Loving Primer. Like y'all, I don't even know if my Fenty is gonna match me anymore. Like I am legit scared because it took me forever to find a Fenty foundation that works. And y'all know I had finally found 385 and I was in love. Now 385 probably ain't gonna match me no more. But luckily I kept 390, so I'm probably gonna have to mix the two. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm trying to get my hair out the way. So, alright, so we're gonna go in with 515, which looks like a better match. I might have to put a few dots of that, we'll see. It's so crazy to me how well this matches now. Like, when at first this was way too dark, but now look at it. Okay, now that I have this foundation on, I look really orange, and I feel like I probably should have mixed the two. I think it's too late to go in with 510. We're just gonna try it. We're just gonna see what happens. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going in with my new favorite. It is the Colourpop. The Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Oh, I love this stuff, you guys. I love it. This is dark 40, and I'm literally... So can you guys guess what happened? Yep, that's right. My camera stopped recording after I applied. When I was about to apply my contour, it just cut off. So all you missed was me setting my face with the Beauty Bakery flour powder. And then after I set it with that, I did a little bit of bronzer, the CoverGirl Queen bronzer. I applied highlighter, which was the Morphe Mirage highlighter, and then I did a little bit of Trophy Wipe. And I was about to apply these lashes, because I said I wanted to apply these lashes. So I think I'm about to do that, but I'm not going to do it on camera because it takes me a long time to do. But I'm going to try to apply these lashes, and I'll be back.
So as usual, you guys, I'm having technical difficulties and my clip got deleted. So this is the finished results. I hope you guys like it. I hope you subscribe anyway, even though my channel can be bootleg sometimes. But I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.